Hi, I'm Robert Hilke, and I'd like to welcome you to the ALK TOEIC campaign. As part of our campaign, we have prepared a present for you. This present is a series of lectures by me about the TOEIC and about how to study English. We first of all talked about the listening section of the test, especially Shingata TOEIC, that starts in May 2016. Also, we talked about the reading comprehension section. And then finally, we talked about how to study English, how to improve your English so that you can improve your TOEIC score. We think that this program that we're offering you will be very, very useful for you. So for example, one of the things I talked about today was about how important it is to study synonyms. つまり同義語の勉強、どれぐらい重要性が高いと話しました。So, for example, one of the best ways to study synonyms, 同義語、流義語, is by making what we call word packages. If you are studying vocabulary, if you learn 4 vocabulary words that are not related to each other, 全く関係ない4つの単語を勉強しようと思って、それだったら4回分の自分の思考の努力を投資しなきゃいけない、right? You have to invest 4 times the cognitive energy in order to be able to understand those words, right? Because those 4 words are not related to each other. But if you study 4 words which are very, very closely related to each other, it's very, very efficient. 4回分じゃないんですね。The cost performance for you is really, really high. For example, let's take a word like goal. My goal for TOEIC is 500. My goal for TOEIC is 730. My goal for TOEIC is 860, right? What are some other words that mean the same thing as goal? Well, for example, target, or aim, or even more 宣伝されてる objective. Now, 基本的に同じ意味ですね。Basically, they have the same meaning. And if you can learn all 4 of these words together, it will be really, really helpful for you. Now, I'm sure you are a good speaker of Japanese. If you're in a situation where you can use your native language, Japanese, I'm sure you can control the situation very, very well. But when you do that in English, it's probably not so easy to control the situation at the same level. ちょっとギャップを感じてるね。Your Japanese level is here, English level is here. For me, English level is here, Japanese level is here. But that gap is, I think, primarily vocabulary and primarily synonyms. Please think about it as a metaphor. You have a kind of dogu bako, you're a Japanese dogu bako, and here is a screw. De kono neji shimetai. Inside of your Japanese dogu bako, you probably have maybe 7 or 8 or 9 different screwdrivers, different lengths, different thicknesses, different functions. So you can choose exactly the right screwdriver to tighten this screw most efficiently. But maybe in your English language toolkit, you have only 1 or 2 screwdrivers. So you always use the same screwdriver. We need more screwdrivers. You need more screwdrivers in English, I need more screwdrivers in Japanese. And studying synonyms is one of the best ways to do that. So, this program that we are offering you, whether you are, for example, 500 is your target, or whether 700 is your target, or whether even 900 is your target, this program we feel will be very useful for you. So we hope that you are able to participate in our program, and we're very, very happy to welcome you to the ALK TOEIC campaign.